In here we have the recoil spring and guide assembly, and I have to take the gun apart to show you where it hits, but it's interesting. It's not magic that makes the slide stop. The slide actually stops against the frame. There's a small buffer in between, if you want to call it a buffer. It's the recoil spring guide. It has a flange on it. When the gun comes to rest, and the slide comes to rest in the frame, that is in between the frame and the slide. I'll take this apart real quickly and show you. When the gun is being used, this piece is setting right like that, at the recoil spring guide. Off. Remove the recoil spring and then put your finger on the top of the barrel and push it up, and with your thumb push the barrel forward. Now if you have a Series 70 gun with a knob on the end of the barrel and a finger bushing, that takes the tension off of it, so now you can move the bushing easily. Push the recoil spring plug in a little ways, rotate the bushing, dump the plug out, rotate the bushing the other direction, make sure the link is down, and slide the barrel and bushing clear out of the gun. Take the bushing off the barrel. Is a loose plunger tube. I mean, this plunger tube is loose. I think that we will show you this little operation. It's very simple, and the tooling is really pretty simple too. This is the pusher for the plunger tube, and this is the backup plate for the opposite side, and here's our little piece of steel. Goes in the plunger tube here. That's just to keep it from collapsing. Here's our center punch that we've cut out part of it, and I've also changed, if you look at it, I've changed the angle of the nose so I get more of a straight-on hit. Put on our first plate, put on our second plate, and put the whole mess in the vise. I make it pretty snug. I don't collapse it, but it's pretty snug. And I simply take my punch. All you want is to know that you have at least 25 thousandths of barrel engagement on this surface in the front of in the recess in the slide. So you can unlock it, visually take a look at it if you want, or have someone measure it, or you can measure it in the unlock position, the height from there to there, then lock it and measure it again and subtract the 2.